Hey, what's up? This is Tyler with More Simple Guitar Lessons. I'm going to show you how to play Alone on acoustic guitar. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate that. Let's get. So the chords are D. You can play an open D like that. Open, open, open. 2, 3, open. And then A, open, open, 2, 2, open, open. So they're all kind of open chords. D to A. And then E major, open, 2, 2, 1, open, open, and then F sharp minor, so I play it like this, X, 4, 4, 2, open, open, X, 4, 4, 2, open, open. All together that's D, A, E major,